Collegiate High School. Station 1 is going to be copper sulfate with steel wool. So first we're going to take about 3 to 4 milliliters of half molar copper sulfate. That's a little bit more than I needed, but that's alright. You can grab a test tube. Make sure you mark down which number test tube you've got, because you're going to let this sit for about 15 minutes. Pour it in your copper sulfate. Too much is not really a big deal. You know, we're just trying to save it. Don't need that much, but that's alright. Grab a small piece of the steel wool. Keep it loose. Use the scissors if you need to. Get it off a big chunk. And see if you can get it down in there. It's not going on its own. Use the scoop. Get it submerged. You can already see a little bit of reaction happening, but we're going to come back about 15 minutes and see how it looks. Next station over here is hydrochloric acid and magnesium. Start off with, you want about 5 milliliters of 1 molar hydrochloric acid in the graduated cylinder. Now, pouring out of the liter bottle is kind of difficult, so I use a beaker. Get a little bit in there. Measure. Oops. A little bit much again, but that's alright. Next team will probably use it. Grab your pipette and bulb. No, I'm sorry. First, grab a piece of magnesium. It's kind of hard to do in gloves, but hey. Drop it into your test tube there, and then about 1 millimeter at a time, you're going to add the hydrochloric acid and note what happens. I'm not sure if this will come through, but that's the magnesium in there. And hopefully you can see the reaction has begun. Give it a couple seconds. Get another milliliter. You'll have to excuse me if I mess up any of my wording here. This is completely unscripted. And add the other milliliter here. Keeps the reaction going. Your goal is to get rid of the magnesium altogether. One more milliliter. Almost gone. This portion, if you want to save time, look for a smaller piece of magnesium, or take one of the larger ones, bend it in half. You can usually get it to break apart with just by bending it back and forth a couple times. Almost done. The last of it right there. I think I actually used 6 milliliters instead of the 5. But again, not going to change the reaction in this case. So close. You're in poof. Oh, no, not yet. And poof, it's gone. Alright. Station 3 You're going to make some observations on a about 4 centimeter length of magnesium ribbon. And then after that, you are going to put it in the flame. So I have turned the gas on. I have my Bunsen burner and striker. I am lit. Now, make sure my camera, you can't see that. You can see that. Now, you do not want to look directly at the reaction in this case because it will really hurt your eyes. So, you can kind of look away, put it in the flame, and you'll know. And then kind of hold it over the beaker until it's done. Ooh, that's great. Ooh, gone. Turn off the Bunsen burner, and then head over to station 4. Station 4 is going to be a couple of reactions here. First, you're going to take a test tube. You're going to measure out, we want the 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide here. That'd be a wider angle. You're looking for, what does it say, about 2 to 3 milliliters. There's 2 milliliters right there. You're going to pour that into your test tube here. And then, using this to hold, you're going to get about 2 drops of phenolphthalein. You can see the reaction happen immediately right there. Shake it up until it's all uniform color. Very nice. Now, after that, you're going to take 1 molar hydrochloric acid. This is a 10 times stronger concentration than the sodium hydroxide. And add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll try 10 drops, see what happens. And you can see it's no longer pink. Alright, those are the 4 stations that we've got set up for this lab. In the interest of saving time and space, I have also done the hydrate lab, and I've been letting that cool so that we can remeasure it. Now, I don't know if it came through on the last video, but the dish plus the copper sulfate weighed out at 37.7283 grams. Now we have a cool evaporating dish with the copper sulfate weighing in at 36.2939 grams. Alright, hope this guy works out for everybody.